Jenoptik has set a new benchmark in high-powered diode laser technology, featuring up to 300 watt from just one passively cooled diode laser, enabling new laser applications at reduced costs and complexity. Take advantage of our novel open heatsink technology. May it be increased optical output power at same lifetime or increased lifetime at the same optical output power. Improved cooling allows to keep junction temperature at acceptable levels at significantly increased output power. Our LK Open Heatsink Diode Laser generation combines Jenoptik's state-of-the-art laser bars with our latest innovation in assembly technology, allowing reliable operation in CW as well as hard pulse mode. Our proprietary low-temperature assembly technology presents the new standard for ambitious customers seeking applications in optical pumping or direct-diode laser technology for high or low brightness applications. Simplified power scaling and system assembly present a major added value for our customers. Stay ahead of the market and develop your next high-power laser system using the capabilities of Jenoptik's latest generation in open heat sink technology.